In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the ultimate habit tracker in Notion. Notion is a remarkable tool for organizing your digital workspace, and setting up a habit tracker can be a game changer for managing your daily habits and routines. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll need to navigate to your account, so go ahead and click on your profile icon. It's typically located in the top left corner of your Notion dashboard. This is where you have access to your account settings and various features that Notion offers. From here, we're looking to head over to the Templates section. Finding and utilizing templates can really expedite the process of setting up your workspace, especially if you want to incorporate complex tools like the habit tracker without starting from scratch. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll see a variety of pre-built options designed to enhance your Notion experience. Templates are a great way to get started quickly with a structured foundation. Now, in the search bar provided in the Templates area, type in the word habit. This will help filter the templates and bring up all those related to habit tracking. The search function in Notion is quite powerful and helps in quickly narrowing down what you are looking for amidst the many templates available. What we're specifically looking for here is the ultimate habit tracker. Once you've located it in the list, go ahead and click on it. Notion will provide a brief overview of what this template includes and how it can benefit you. This particular tracker is an excellent choice as it is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your habits, allowing you to monitor and manage them effectively. Now that you've selected the ultimate habit tracker, your final step is to add this template to your workspace. Simply click on the Add button, and it will automatically populate into your Notion dashboard. This integration will give you the flexibility to customize it according to your specific habits, preferences, and goals. One tip as you begin customizing your habit tracker is to start small. Focus on a few key habits you'd like to develop and add more as you grow comfortable with using the tracker daily. Consistent use is crucial, so remember to update your tracker regularly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added the ultimate habit tracker to your Notion workspace. By actively utilizing this tool, you'll gain a structured approach to building and maintaining habits that align with your lifestyle and personal goals. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this tracker as helpful in your personal development journey as many others have. Keep tracking and stay motivated.